This is Red Brother Plays. This is how to make brownies. We're going to start out with 1/3 of water and then 1/3 of vegetable oil. Alright, the first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 325. First you have to mix the water, vegetable oil, and egg. Then you crack an egg and then put the egg in the bowl just in case if any of the shell gets out. And dump it into the bucket. Alright, and then you stir. It should look like this one, and it's ready to put the brownie mix in. Yeah. And then you mix again. Make sure you scrape the sides. And don't leave any of the brownie mix unstirred. When it's finished, it should look like this. Before you can pour it in the pan, you need to shake a non-sticky cooking spray and then spread it. Not like this. Do it like this. Alright, and then you put the brownie mix into the pan. Beware, make sure your mom or dad is around. Unless you're grown up, you might get burnt. And then put it for 45 minutes. And then wait for your brownie to finish. And then you can lick the bowl. If you don't want to lick the bowl, let someone else do it, like he is. Alright, now since the timer is going off, in the open area you put the brownies in. And slowly take them out. And get something to put it on that object and wait for it to be finished. And then you let the brownies cool. Alright, just for a tip, it's easier to cut the brownie with a plastic knife. Alright, I also like the edges. So now, let's take a bite. Let's feast. And enjoy. Boom. Again, this is Red Brother Plays. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's try and get 1 million likes. Thank you for watching.